So welcome to another video of Excel learning. So today in this video I am having a data. So in the column A I have the first name, column B I have the last name, and in column C I want the full name of the customer for all the records. So without using any Excel function, what you can do, so I will click on this full name, and in the C3 cell I will type the first name which is there in the cell A3. So I'll type here Arun, and next I will type the last name which is in the B3 cell, which is Gowda. So now requirement is, without actually using any function, I want the first name and last name to be displayed in all the cells. So what I will do, I will select all the columns, that is from C3 to C10, and just use Ctrl E shortcut key. So I'll press Ctrl E shortcut key. Now you can see the first name and full name for all the selected columns has appeared. So this is one very good trick for us to concatenate the cells.